Hi, it's me. Sometimes cute, sometimes weird. Whatever I may be, I just want to be something special to you. Won't you be something special to me too? Let me tell you the rules on how to get my hearts. Rule 1. Think less, follow the hearts. Rule 2. White lies only, making hearts with fingers. Rule 3. No hearts, no reply. Rule 4. I put my hearts out. You better notice. Rule 5. Heart-shaped gift is the remedy for my blues. Sweeter, the better. So,